Hi, this is Colin with Clean Air Comfort Systems. Today I want to show you how to start a fireplace. So in this fireplace, you just lift it out of the way. And on some fireplaces, you might be able to just open the bottom, and there are different types out there. If you have questions about how to access the gas valve on your fireplace, go ahead and leave me a comment and I'll respond to you and help you get to that. So here, this is one of the most common types of gas valves, and it's been around for probably over 20 years, and it's still available today. So there's a good chance your gas valve looks just like this. Okay, so the starting position is the off position, and this is not very intuitive. That's why I'm taking the time to show this to you, because it's sort of a tough thing for people to figure out. So you see this small line here? You're lining up the off section of the button with a line, okay? That's the starting position. If your button is not in that position, go ahead and turn it to that position now. And every time you turn the button, you have to press it slightly and then turn it, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do to start it is turn it to the pilot position, press it all the way down. This allows gas to flow through to the pilot, and also make sure that your gas is turned on. If you have a shut-off valve down here, on some fireplaces you'll have a shut-off in the wall somewhere adjacent to the fireplace. So wherever your main shut-off is, make sure that's turned on. And then you press the pilot button all the way down, and you will find your spark igniter somewhere adjacent to the valve. And then the next thing you're going to do is look inside for the burner, and it's usually from the top down. You can see the blue flame underneath the logs, and if that flame has come on, you're going to watch it and continue to hold the button down for about 30 seconds. And when you let go of the button, the flame should stay on. If the flame stays on, you are ready to twist the button over to the on position. And if the flame doesn't stay on, you're just going to start that sequence again by holding the pilot button down and sparking until it lights. Okay, so now I'm going to turn into the on position, and all this does, it allows the gas valve to turn on gas to the burner when you turn your thermostat on, when you turn on your remote or the wall switch. So by turning this to the on position, it will not automatically turn the burner on. So a couple things here that people occasionally struggle with. If there is air in the line and you're trying to do this startup sequence, it's going to take a long time for that pilot to come on. It might take a few minutes, up to 10 minutes. If you have had this fireplace off for the summer and it's the first time you turn it on in the fall, it might take you several tries. So go ahead, be patient, give it a try. And if you need help with that, give us a call. We can come out and give you a hand. But I'd love to save you some money by giving you some of these details that people call us out all the time, and it's a very simple fix. So we don't mind coming out at all, but if we can help you out, we are more than happy to. So the other thing to consider is people call us all the time because their fireplace doesn't work. They've done everything perfectly up to this point, but they don't turn on the wall switch. So in this case, in this home, there is a wall switch, and you simply flip that on. And because our knob has been turned to the on position, now the flame can come off. Now the flame can come on, not off. And it's the same way you turn it on and off. There are certain things here that could go wrong. You could have a bad thermocouple, a bad thermopile, a plugged pilot. There could be issues with a number of these components. And if you've done everything that I've shown you and it still doesn't work, most likely you need us to come out and give you a hand. But go ahead and try these things first if you can, and then give us a call and we're more than happy to help you. Our phone number is 360-398-9400.